Hello, Will James.
Oh, hello.
It's popping off out there.
Is it?
We got all these new things in.
Wow.
Is it ever?
Yeah.
The foamers are exciting.
Yeah.
Aren't
They are very excited.
They're frothing at the bit.
Yeah.
And
So it's
you
been
know,
an
and you
exciting
know
week.
all about
Wow.
it, and I love it.
Yeah. It has been a very exciting week. So we got in a large amount of AUSCISION,
Yes.
SDS, and actually they're the two big ones. So yeah.
What
So
about NCE?
oh yeah, we got all that NCE.
Mm.
Oh, I forgot my power cab. Oh no. But we
That's awkward.
That's right. We got to restock a Pico.
we got a bunch of Pico.
Mm.
Holy dooly. We've got some very exciting things on the way as well.
DCC turned up too
So
recently.
the NCE power cab, what you were really excited about is we got
We got
Bertha,
a 5 amp.
a 5
power
amp.
cab. That thing
5
is,
amper.
yeah, that thing. If you are into your DCC and sound, thing's gonna.
And you like a big and large.
Yeah, huge.
How many locos can you run off that
Quite
sucker?
a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to give an exact amount, but let's say more than probably 10.
So the standard
Yeah.
one is how many amp? 2 amp.
2 amp.
2 ampers.
Yeah, which will run like a small layout with a couple of locos. But this thing will really just
It will in fact blow the froth off your cappuccino.
absolutely,
Ramp it up.
And it's a
absolutely.
really neat looking box actually as well.
Oh, it's quite a nice.
So it's the
looking
same
system.
hand controller.
It is, but it's also got the power unit there as well.
Ooh.
So you can really, and if you've already got an existing NCE system, so if you've bought the original starter set,
Yes.
you can use that with it as well. So you could have 2 controllers. Bring your friends.
What other people can plug in.
Yeah, well, you got 2 hands, dual wheel.
Oh,
You can't.
amp
Yeah, why not?
extras.
Have a go. So,
2
yeah,
hands.
Oh,
I wouldn't know which noise to make.
that's a
Yeah.
party trick, isn't it?
that's what they'll make the noise for you.
That's the problem. 'Cause
Yeah.
I still in my head want to make the noise myself.
Oh, well, you can. It's your railway. You can do what you want. So yeah.
That's it.
I thought I'd bring a couple of locos
So
along.
what are you showing us?
They
So
look right, don't they?
this one is
Let's go
well,
from
they're
the
both
top, eh?
Decision. This one is C501 in V line. Now C501 is a loco that still exists,
Look at you with your tweezers.
and
Precision.
it's
It's like garnishing a fancy
Yeah.
salad.
it's currently back in Victorian Railways livery, but it did wear V line for a little while.
So we're just taking off the foam that protects it in the packet.
Just
Because
because
of
these
all
have
the
got
really fine handrails.
Rails.
Once the safety stuff is off, I won't be touching it. Just so you know.
I changed the camera because we're getting a really good view of the top of your head.
yeah, how's it looking?
It was looking all right.
Yeah, thank
know,
you.
It looks better than mine.
It depends which way you look at it.
Yeah,
If you
all
like-
right.
If you like hair, it's okay.
Whatever you're into.
That's right.
All right. So these, which camera are we on?
What shall we do? Shall we go from the top?
Yeah,
If we go
let's go
from
to
the top,
Let's go to
let's
the
go
top.
for the top, and
Top
let's move this out of the way.
Yeah.
There you go, nice blank.
All right.
All right, let's
So,
keep it focusy.
it's all right. This one.
Oh, there's someone in there.
There is a little person. There's 2.
It's
Should be
Will.
2
Are there?
people in there.
It's
Look at
Will.
that. A couple of people.
It's Will
Oh,
and Will
drivers.
James.
So these are AUSCISION models, and they are highly detailed.
Wow.
They are, yeah, a really nice.
Whose
really
train
nice
is
bit
it?
of kit.
George Brown.
So this is
George
the
Brown's
George
train.
Is
Brown.
that the name of the driver?
Sure. Why not? So C501 is named the George Brown, or Big George is its other name that everyone calls it.
So there are no
Yeah.
naming conventions for trains?
No.
Like boats are meant to be all female, right?
No, there is no naming conventions like
Right.
that. They usually Australian locomotives will usually carry a person's name.
Right.
English ones will carry pretty much anything.
Anything.
So you do have ones named after people, but
They're
then
very
you'll have ones
open-minded.
that are named after like birds, or there's like squadron one like named after military victories and
And
things
some-
like that.
And some royals as well. And then some no-name royals have got trains as well.
Oh,
is it?
geez, nice to say. Yeah.
What's the expression on your face?
Well, I don't know.
So yeah, this
So
is,
with the rails,
yeah.
so they're incredibly fine. So what are they? Are they brass?
These ones, so yeah, they're at least metal.
They are metal.
But they are quite fine.
Aren't they?
So
Wow.
you do have to be a little bit careful with them. But
How do you make
Yeah.
them? That is impressive.
yeah, lots of skill.
Like even the
Still
vents
for
on the top,
days.
Yeah,
like the grills on those are really fine.
quite fine. Hang on.
I might say the wrong thing
Little
here,
focus,
like I
there we
probably
go.
do, but does this one have working fans?
No, these don't. Unfortunately, no Australian locos that I've seen have the working fans. It's really only Bachmann DCC Deluxe, which
look
has
at the horns.
got the fan. So the horns are brass. So they're quite robust. These do have full working lights, and we do have sound versions of these as well.
So there's DC and DCC versions.
Yeah,
That's really fine. That part that's on top of the cockpit, it's like a sun visor type of thing, is it?
Yeah.
That's super fine.
Absolutely. Yeah.
It's got to be photo etched. That's got to be brass as well,
wafer
right?
thin.
Wafer
thin.
Oh,
Yeah.
French.
So we also got in some G classes, which are from the previous run as well. So these came out in 20. Which camera?
Oh, we're on the top one.
Top one still. That's all right. So these came out last year. So now this is G515, which is in the RailFirst Asset Management livery. Funnily enough, you can sometimes see this locomotive come past here.
Really?
Yes.
Really?
This is as it is right now. And they do use them on a number of services, and they do come through here.
What are those trains that we see come through here with the big, massive steel?
You've just
Steel
answered it.
train.
It's a steel train.
It's a steel
Oh,
train.
this one?
Yeah. So
Oh, is it?
you've got the Long Island Steel Train, so that goes down towards Hastings.
Where's it go to?
Hastings.
As in, what? Where's it delivering?
So it's
To get shipped out of Hastings.
Oh, does it?
yes. No, it's the other way around. So
Oh,
it
is it?
goes. It comes down from New South Wales or from South Australia,
Right.
and then they offload it here.
Yeah.
Put it onto a broad gauge train and take it down there. Then it ends up on a ship.
Right.
But you've also got the paper mill at Maryvale, same
Right.
operator. So
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
they used to do all that down there. They still do. And you also sometimes you used to get a cement train and a quarry train that all goes out the other side there.
Pretty
I had
special,
a
isn't it?
train driver in yesterday
Yeah.
saying he was looking at all the trains, and he doesn't have a train set at home. He only buys trains that he drives,
Right. As a
Nice.
collection.
apparently. So
Right.
Right.
Yeah,
what,
nice.
What train do they
Oh,
drive?
look at all the graphics there.
Yeah.
So
So you've got because this is
So it's got a what's
it's a
that?
horse racing one.
It's a Mustang
Yeah.
running the wrong way.
Or the right way.
We
depends
don't
how you look
have
at it.
Mustangs in Australia.
So this one is running fast is what its name is.
Ah.
That's imagining.
I suppose. Yeah.
Why has it got windows on the side?
Which windows? The rear vision mirrors. These ones.
No. It's got like portal-looking things here.
These
That's my
ones?
big finger. Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Have a squeeze.
What? There's
No.
no passengers in there, is
No,
it? Isn't it all
Where are
motor?
these guys going?
Is there a
Yeah.
walkway there?
Yeah, so you can walk down on the prototype. You'd be walking down. You can walk down the sides of these locomotives
Can you?
to look at the engine or anything like that, or switch ends without having to actually leave the cab.
Hmm.
So they've got a driving cab at either end, unlike the C-Class in front of us, which is
Single-ended.
single-ended, whereas this is double-ended.
Double-ended jobby.
Yeah,
He's in for a good time.
absolutely.
It does
Ready
it
for the
both-
weekend.
Does it both ways.
Yeah.
So what are these funky things I see on the front here? Like
So
these
your brake hoses, and
they're hoses, are they?
Yeah, so these are for when you join the trains together and things like that. So you'll have, your air hoses, things like that. So you've
Ah.
got brake pressure running through the train, MU cables. So when they are hooked up together to another locomotive, you don't have to have a crew in the second loco. It'll operate as a slave from the first one.
lot going on there.
Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. But all detailed very
Mm.
nicely. Lots of little detailed parts. I think, most of these, they've got something crazy on them, like 200 to 300 separately applied parts,
Wow.
which are all affixed on there. And they are very strong models as well. The motor units in them, I've actually got one of each of these in my own collection,
Mm.
and they are incredibly strong.
Are they
So
good runners?
Very good runners. They will.
How do you know they're
they'll
strong? What have you
haul.
done to them?
Nothing.
Oh.
Oh, I've put them through some tests.
Oh,
Yeah, run them around the club layout a few times. It's got some pretty big grades, and we run some big trains. So yeah,
Big
does
grades.
alright. Big grades and big trains
We've put some trains on the dyno before, haven't we?
on the rolling road.
I'm
Yeah,
not allowed
yeah.
to.
No,
No.
too many, too many.
Well, the lights go bright, and then they stop working.
Yeah, we don't want that. We don't want that. We want-
You learned the hard way, didn't you?
Oh, dearie me.
Twice. That can't happen.
But I also bought these
Oh, it
along.
happened again.
Oh,
So these are, we got some e-cars in. So e-cars were your normal type of Victorian railways passenger carriage for a long,
Right.
long time. But these are the steam rail ones.
What does that mean?
So these are the ones that are owned by Steam Rail.
Oh, okay. Let's go.
So-
Let's get a bit wider
This is
from the top.
This is the pack of e-cars from Steam Rail.
Is it the one that
Oh.
we went on?
Well, no, you went on the Tate.
Oh,
So we have a Tate here, but these are the carriages when you go on like a steam haul trip or something like that. Ooh, yeah, let's get focused.
you have to take me one day.
Oh yeah, I'll show you a good time.
Oh, it does say steam rail on the side of it.
Yeah,
Steam Rail Victoria.
yeah. Because we've got
Choo
the open
choo.
day coming up, and I thought that'd be a good one.
That's
Yeah.
fitting, isn't it?
Yes, that's next weekend, not this
Labor Day
weekend.
weekend.
Labor Day weekend.
So it's 3 days, right? It's
3
a
days.
3-day
You can
event.
come
Train,
down and you
train.
can have a look around the prototype one of these.
What makes it a prototype?
Well, that's the prototype is the real one.
Oh,
Yes.
Okay.
And these models of the real ones. So that's pretty
Well,
cool.
you don't have to go all the way there. You can see these ones here.
You could own these if you wanted to.
Mm.
Are these not sold?
No, these haven't gone yet. So yeah, we got these in. I think I've got an add-on car out there as well.
So there's no loco in there.
no,
That's just
Carriage pack.
A carriage pack.
pack. Yeah,
Mm.
yeah. So we've got a few different options of these. But
So what would you pull that with?
it's your railway. You can pull it with whatever you want. But we've got plenty of appropriate locomotives like some T classes and what else we got out there that could pull it? I suppose if any of these could, all at work. It'll be fine.
I love it.
Make it happen.
Pretty good, isn't
And
it?
does it have what couplers does it have on it?
They're all KDs or knuckle style couplers.
Yeah.
So all work together. It's all fine. All the Australian stuff will just couple up.
Uh,
But if you need to change them, we've got different couplers that you could switch them to.
Yeah.
If you had to, if you wanted to.
why not?
But as is, I don't. I haven't
It's
had
your
to switch
railway.
these.
You just do it your way, mate.
Absolutely.
Mm.
Absolutely.
Well, that is fantastic,
Yeah.
mate. Thank you for taking a little bit of time to join us.
That's all right. Oh, and if anyone's interested, the news came out this morning.
Oh, did it?
Oh,
Oh,
the
we will,
first of
we'll share
March.
that. We'll
we
share
should
that.
put a link
Yeah.
up to that.
Yeah,
No?
you can check it out. It was a big issue. This
A
month.
big issue.
Oh yeah,
A buster.
absolute buster.
Yeah.
Wall to wall. Yeah.
BJ's is foraging around now trying to put it because we will put the link on the.
Oh, look around.
Yeah,
Yeah?
but
We have a-
no, it was a big month. So a lot coming out this month. A lot of exhibitions coming up.
What was your favorite
Um,
thing in the news that got released today?
Oh, they got released. It's not one that we're unfortunately going to sell, but there was a New South Wales steam locomotive.
Yep.
Which was the Z12 from Kazula. It's in
That'll be
the
this one.
thumbnail. It is an exclusive to them, but it is a very nice looking model.
Good.
He's made some very nice.
And that got you
very nice.
excited.
Yeah,
I love it.
absolutely. There was a couple of new releases from a couple of other people.
Let
Like
me
we got
cross that up,
the
yeah.
hands on the new SDS 8300
Yep.
guards vans before they came out. Well, they're still not out yet, and the new NR class that they haven't released either. So there's previews of that in there, which I was pretty stoked with. But then, this month's going to be a real big one. It's got events on pretty much every weekend,
Oh,
including Canberra. So if anyone's watching from Canberra, I'll be at their exhibition.
are you going to Canberra
I'm
too?
going to go to Canberra. Oh, I go to the Canberra
There
exhibition.
we go. There's a
Yeah.
link going up now.
It's quite good. It's big and there's lots happening.
So that is the Will James news report, monthly
Yes.
news report.
That's
The
right.
first
That's
Model
everyone.
Railway news.
That is.
Yeah,
Australian Model Way. Well,
yeah,
that's the news. And this was Talking Trains with Will James.
absolutely.
Thank you,
so
Will.
much.
Thank you,
All
Will.
You
All right.
take care.
Always. Or not.
That's exciting.
Yeah, beautiful. I really like that.